Using the power of red light and infrared technology, Revive Knee Plus helps put the life back into your joints. It works directly where it's needed to fire up your body's natural self-healing process and decrease pain and inflammation in as little as 5 minutes. It does this by triggering the release of nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels and increases the circulation of blood and nutrients into the joint. It also stimulates the cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria, to ramp up energy production and promote cell regrowth. This is what makes the Revive Knee different. Current light therapy products use only broad-spectrum LEDs to treat surface pain, which are less effective at penetrating to internal tissue. The combination of powerful lasers and optimal dosing allows the Revive Knee Plus to penetrate deeper into the joint, to precisely target the main source of pain and inflammation for real healing. The result? Effortless, pain-free movement. Don't just take our word for it though. The science is in. Red light therapy works. Red light therapy is a safe, effective treatment for joint pain and stiffness without the side effects. Be part of the red light revolution and become a backer today. Now available for pre-order.
Introducing Alva. Alva is a practical, powerful and comfortable lighting solution available with white or red LEDs. It's designed to be worn on wrists and ankles, allowing you to see and be seen. Whether you're a hiker, camper, cyclist, runner or anyone looking for a better light, Alva is designed for you. With a choice of accessories available in a range of colours, Alva is rugged, waterproof, rechargeable, and best of all, it points the light exactly where you need it, making it perfect for awkward angles and hands-on tasks that other torches and headlamps really struggle with. Alva can be removed from its wrist or ankle straps and fitted to our keychain mount for day-to-day tasks or our GoPro compatible mount when it gets too dark to film, making it the perfect all-round lighting solution. Alva outputs 110 lumens of light and has a full battery life of 3 hours. While there are brighter torches available, Alva sits on your wrist, close to the action, and is always delivering its light exactly where it's needed. Its output and beam angle ensures you'll be seen by motorists and other trail users from a safe distance. It can be quickly recharged in the field, runs on max brightness while it's plugged in, and has status LEDs to let you know when it's full. Alva's wrist and ankle straps can be ordered individually or in our bundles to suit all lifestyles. First up, our active run and cycle duo, a white Alva torch for your wrist and a red one for your ankle. Stay safe, be seen and see where you're going. Then we have our full adventure bundle. Get 2 of everything, including our GoPro compatible mounts, giving you what you need to light your way, whatever the circumstances. When the light fades and the cameras are packed away, fit Alva to light your way back. Regardless of your bundle, everyone gets a keyring mount included, because having a light for day-to-day use is important too. All of Alva's accessories are made of silicone. They're extremely hard wearing, smooth and silky to the touch, and the wrist and ankle straps are fully size adjustable thanks to their metal retaining pip. They fit just like a smartwatch strap, either on bare skin or over clothing. They can be quickly and easily removed and can be ordered in orange, navy, black or olive variants. We've set out to make Alva a disruptor in the torch industry, offering you the combined functionality of a headlamp and the convenience of a keyring light, while maintaining comfort, power and practicality. Having such a small and powerful torch with these different mounting options will completely change the way you think about using a flashlight, and we guarantee you'll find so many extra uses beyond what we've shown here. Alva is the last flashlight you'll ever need to buy. The design is ready, our factory partners are ready, but it's you that we need. If you like what you've seen, please back the campaign, share with your friends, and together, let's illuminate the world with Alva. Thank you.
Koala Tree is back with our latest innovation in eco-minded apparel, the Barrage Tech Shell. We've been crafting this go-to adventure layer for 3 years now. We wanted to make a jacket that shields you from whatever nature may send your way. The Barrage ensures for a quicker fast dry, superior odor control, wrinkle-free dynamics, and a 4-way stretch fabric that moves with your body. Take waterproofing to a whole new level with C0 DWR technology. What is that, you ask? It's a vegetable-based, fluorine-free DWR coating that's more durable and better for the environment. This full-zip outer layer features a coffee bean print on the inside, while the outside hosts 3 pockets, 1 chest and 2 sides, all with weather-sealed zippers that ensure safe and dry keeping of your personal items. Throw the hood up and pull back those drawstrings for a snug fit that will protect against the elements of any adventure. Love to travel? Say less. The Barrage weighs in at only 4 ounces. Pack the entire layer into its chest pocket for easy storage on all your travels. We are proud to bring you yet another wardrobe staple made from the revolutionary Escafé fabric. These fibers are spun out of recycled plastics and coffee grounds, saving thousands of pounds of waste from landfills and water systems. The use of these resources work together to create not only a unique feel, but also wind and waterproof benefits that cannot be found in any other jacket. The one jacket for all adventures, made with sustainability in mind. The Barrage Tech Shell. Back now on Kickstarter to be the first to get yours.